Is it likely that the home appraisal that you've had will dip once your case is settled? It's an interesting question. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Whether or not your home goes up in value or go down in value after the settlement is really a variable. It's a question. It's a moving target. In some markets that are really robust, you might value the house at $100,000 and each one gets 50 of it. So you pay 50, he signs the deed. Now that house, theoretically, after the divorce settlement, may go up in value, may be worth 120, 130, or 140,000 within a year of that settlement. And so what does that mean? That means you paid 50,000 for your equity, and now the home is worth way more than that. So you paid less than 50% of the value. You got a good deal. Could it go down? I just read an interesting article in the Wall Street Journal about how in certain parts of the country, they're seeing a dip in the housing costs as high as 19% over last year. In the Midwest, they say that housing is still very robust. The markets are still strong because of a lack of inventory. So, you settle your case in the Midwest, it may go up in value after the settlement is finalized. You got to remember that the value is based on its current appraisal. So a year after your settlement, you're not going to look at, well, what was the value last year? You're going to have to get an updated appraisal to see what has changed in the marketplace. It's possible that something did change in the marketplace and now the thing is worth more than before. Could it affect both parties? Well, after the settlement, it's not likely to affect both parties, because if you've agreed that you're going to pay a certain amount of money and the house is worth this, you're going to pay it. You're not going to owe anymore. It's going to be yours. They're not able to come back and say, well, Judge, it was $100,000 and I took 50, but now it's worth, after the settlement, $200,000. I want another 50. The court's going to say, I'm sorry. That's the gamble. You could have bought her out and then you would have the benefit of the bargain. She bought you out. You got your money. That's it. A lot of people know that even if the market is down today, the real estate market overall, over the long period of time, it's going to go up in value. That's the bargain that the parties made, and the court is not likely to interfere with that bargain absent some equitable reason like fraud, etc., that would cause it to do so. If you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248